Hello, guys. Very good day. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying your life. Welcome to Knowledge Power. I'm going to give you a very good tutorial today about adding a widget in your phone. So, whenever you need to check something that is important, you can simply see it on your home screen. You don't need to go to your apps. So, in order to add any widget, you just need to hold it your screen anywhere, and then you will see this type of interface. And then you can see below there are four options: grid, home screen setting, wallpaper and theme. Plus there is an option for widget. You click on that widget. Now you can see what widgets are available here. Whatever the applications you are having it in your phone, they also have some certain widgets. Let's suppose I would like to keep myself updated for the price of Bitcoin. So I do have application that is named Coin Market Cap, and they do have several widgets. When I click on that, you can see they do have many widgets. You can have uh, altcoin index, you can have fear and greed option, then you can see the market cap, portfolio, whatever the coins you are having, and then you can have the Bitcoin. Let's suppose I add this Bitcoin. I would like to always update myself what is the price of the Bitcoin. I click on that. I need to click and hold it, and then you can see I have the home screen, and I put this Bitcoin widget on the screen, and then it is giving me option you want to add Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP or any. Let's suppose I do it Bitcoin. I click on that. Now you can see I can adjust it here, and then you can see it shows me the price of Bitcoin. It does automatically update when I click on refresh like this. And we do have another option also. Let's suppose I would like to always clean up my memory for speed up my phone. So they do have also a smart widget for optimizer the cleaning files. Let's suppose I click on that desktop again, and then I go to widget, and then I move it, and I see what options do I have it. So here I find that I do have another widget that is called the smart cleaning. I click on that. Now it is asking me what do you want to add. I would like to add a smart cleaning widget to my desktop. So I put it here this way. I put this way here, or you can choose any of the screen if you want, like some other applications. Anywhere you wanted you can do it, but in order to just make you understand, I put it here, and then you can adjust it accordingly as per your need. I want it to be fit on the screen, and I delete this one now because I don't need it. So whenever I feel my phone is going slow, I can simply optimize it without going into the application. It can optimize my phone and can speed up my phone. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.